Hi. Lately, I have been working overtime in my regular job as a software engineer because we trying to deliver a product soon, and it's really hard when you do overtime to actually make a video as well. But I thought, right, this weekend since I'm not working, I should give it a go and try to make a video. To be fairly honest, the Cornelius is my daily driver for the last 2 years, and sometimes I do find myself switching between the Cornelius and the Kyria. Mainly between this Kyria. I really like this Kyria. I have designed the case myself. I like the angle. And because I'm using NeoVim a lot in my work, and escape is one of the most important keys, I've really regretted using a rotary encoder in the place of the escape key. I do have mapped the escape key right next to the layer keys, but I keep forgetting because I'm so used to the Cornell layout, and I can't in no way get used to the escape key being there. I do plan to build one more Kyria soon, because this time around, right after 4 years of experimenting with mechanical keyboards, I know exactly what I like. I know what switches I like. I know what layouts I like. So basically, this old discovery for me is nearly at the end. I do own one more Kyria, which is a low profile Bluetooth using Nice Nano, but the battery runs out quickly. I mean, I can use it with a cable, but ZMK with cables is a bit odd sometimes. Also, not a big fan of these low profile switches. I also lately worked on some nice keyboards like the Hyper 40. Like, I like this keyboard in every way imaginable, but I can't get used to it. There's no way to actually get used to it. And it's not the horizontal stagger. I don't mind that. It's really easy to get used to that. The thing I mind in the 40% keyboards is I want to be able to switch layers with my thumbs, right? And the other thing I'm used to it is my left thumb uses a shift, both as a shift and a space. Yes, I can do that with here, but then switching layers, right, doing this move is really uncomfortable. Also, too many buttons, I'm used to 40%, so I don't really know what to do with most of them. So I have assigned useless macros to them, which I keep forgetting which one is which. I guess I can print the layout somewhere when I'm using it. On a nice note, I print the side caps, which are really nice. This keyboard looks amazing now. It is one of the most beautiful keyboards to look at if you like this layout. So at the time, I mostly find myself going back to the Cornelius. I do have a nice project coming. I do have a project that I'm working on lately because I'm so used to the Cornelius, right? I often use various cornets, and I think I have like half a dozen cornets. But my main complaint is the most of them are quite light. So I bought these steel plates. They're really nice and heavy. But I'm worried about any conductivity issues with the PCB. So I'm planning to paint the case first and also place the PCB in such a way that it doesn't really has a chance to actually come in contact with the steel plate. And I'm currently designing a case around using the steel plates. And that's where I am currently. The reason I'm saying all this is because I don't post videos that often, and the main reason I don't do that is that this channel is mainly about things I like and things I buy, right? There's no donations, no anything. It's a really small channel, and I'm not intending, at least for this channel, to grow bigger from what it is today. This is my hobby. I love my hobby. But I do have a secondary channel about software engineering, which I do want to invest some time at some point, because it is what I do every day and what I'm enjoying doing every day. And the reason I'm enjoying keyboards as well is software engineering, right? I write code and I spend my whole day on the keyboard. That's it. Thank you.